In this part, we'll see how to just mute the audio of a video and add background music, as well as how to detach the audio from the video. So let's get started. Let's import a video. So I'll just simply click on it and I'll select this video and click on open. Now I'll simply just drag it to the timeline, and I don't want to change the settings, so I'll just simply click on don't change. I'll just play it once. So you can hear the music of the video. To mute that music, you just simply need to right click on this video and click on mute, or else you can also use Ctrl+Shift+M. And now let's play it again. Now you can see that the video has been muted. Now if you want to add a background music, you can simply just go to the audio tab here, get one audio clip and place it below. You can also import your own audio. Now let's check it. So I'll just delete this audio clip and just unmute this video track. Now if I want this audio separately and want to delete this video, we can do that as well. Means detaching the audio from the video. You need to right click on this clip and just simply click on detach audio. Now you can see that the audio of this video has been separately placed in audio track 1. Now if I don't want this video, I can simply delete this video and can export this audio as a separate MP3 file. So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot.